Today, I'll walk you through how to create Google Calendar events using Excel or Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to import your events seamlessly, so you can stay organized and make the most of your time. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by searching for Google Calendar in your preferred search engine or by directly visiting Calendar Google.com. This is your starting point for managing your events. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner. This icon represents settings. Click on it to access more options. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout may vary based on updates or personal settings. After clicking the gear icon, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your calendar preferences. Now in the Settings menu, find and click on Import and Export. This section allows you to bring in events from other sources, such as your Excel or Google Sheets file, an essential step in our process. Next, you'll see an option that says Select File from your computer. Click on this button to choose the file that contains your events. Make sure your file is formatted correctly for Google Calendar to recognize it. Once you've selected your file, proceed by clicking on the Import button. This action will initiate the import process, allowing your events to be added to your calendar. After the import is complete, a prompt will appear. Click OK to confirm that you want to proceed with the changes. This step ensures that your events are successfully integrated into your calendar. Finally, click on the back arrow to return to your calendar view. Here, you should see all your newly imported events displayed on the calendar, a great way to visualize your schedule at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully created Google Calendar events using Excel or Google Sheets. This method not only saves you time, but also helps streamline your planning process. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.